What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to unblock a phone number in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open phone app. Now after opening the phone app, tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now here in call settings, tap on block numbers, and from here if you want to unblock a number, then tap on this remove icon with the number and then that number will be unblocked. So there is another way to unblock numbers. So for that, go back to your home screen and open the phone app again. Now go to the contacts tab, and from your contact list open the contact that you have blocked. Now tap on the contact and after that tap on this information icon, and then you can see this phone number is blocked. So to unblock this phone number, tap on this three dot more option and then tap on unblock contact, and now this contact is unblocked. So that's how you can unblock a phone number in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.